Greetings. As you know, there have been many changes in the juvenile court system over the past several years. Not every effort has been successful, and the courts have faced many challenges. But the end goal for everyone involved has been to improve outcomes for young people entering the court system, either through an abuse neglect petition or through the juvenile justice process. Since 2006, you and your teams have met, discussed, planned, and implemented many ideas on ways to improve the workings of the abuse neglect court system in your area. There have been many successes and, most importantly, better collaboration and stronger relationships between agencies and systems in solving complex problems. As we all know, however, the same children who come into our courts as neglected children often end up back in our courts as young people committing delinquent or status offenses. The offenses may start as shoplifting or truancy, but will oftentimes progress to more serious offenses such as assault and robbery. We usually don't see our young people just one time. We see them again and again until they are released into the adult court system. We seek to change this pattern in your teams. The Through the Eyes of the Child initiative teams can be an integral part of that change. Therefore, I would like to formally kick off this new focus on juvenile justice with the Through the Eyes of the Child initiative. Your teams are being asked to look at the entire juvenile justice system from the moment a young person enters the system on the abuse and neglect side to the discharge of a 19-year-old. We are not asking you to stop work on the abuse neglect side of the system. As we all know, that work is not yet finished. We are asking you, however, to expand your focus to include young people who are entering our system because of law violations or status offenses, so that your teams can look broadly at how your juvenile court system functions from beginning to end. Over the course of the next year, you will see many changes. Case management will move to probation, and there will be an increased focus on early, targeted, community-based services. Your teams can be a determining factor as to how successful these changes will be. How will evaluations be set as soon as possible? What kind of front-loading of services will happen? What types of facilitation or mediation could occur and in what cases? How will re-entry from the YRTCs be accomplished? Your teams have proven to be a true force for change. I thank you for all of the work you've done over the past 6 years and encourage you to continue that hard work in the years to come.